the Super Block, Long Beach, V2K, Power C parking garage. The Basecrete prep work has started. This is about 120,000 or so square feet here. Prep work started. You can see the prep work around the base of the columns, the standard application of the Basecrete embedded mesh around all the columns. Also going around, starting here, around the perimeter of the parapet wall. I believe there's a total of 99 columns in this garage. Let's see, almost this whole side has gotten the Basecrete application around the perimeter. There you can see the base coat of Basecrete is in. The mesh is going down over the top. Basecrete into the grooves of the mesh from the underside and the top side. Call it a Basecrete sandwich with the mesh being in the middle. This would be the exact same application whether you're in a basement or a residential garage or anywhere where you're applying the mesh to eliminate a cold joint between a ceiling